YouTube Shorts monetization is changing forever. And here's everything you need to know to get paid for your YouTube Shorts. The YouTube Shorts Creator Fund will end in the spring of 2023 and will be replaced. From now on, the Shorts Creator Fund will be replaced with YouTube ads for Shorts. And YouTube Super Thanks also allows you to be paid for your YouTube Shorts from donations from your fans. Super Thanks for YouTube Shorts is already being rolled out to existing YouTube partners. And everybody in the YouTube Partner Program will be eligible for YouTube Super Thanks for their YouTube Shorts and YouTube Shorts ad revenue. So if you're already monetized in the YouTube Partner Program, you're going to be grandfathered into both of these. Now, if you're not familiar, YouTube Super Thanks are donations from your fans very similar to the YouTube Super Chats during live streams. This is a 70-30 revenue split between YouTube and the content creators, with the content creator getting the 70%. Basically, if you get a $10 donation, you'll be getting $7. With regard to YouTube Shorts ads, YouTube Shorts ads will be rolled out to everyone who is already in the YouTube Partner Program and qualified. You won't have to do anything else or meet new requirements if you're already in the YouTube Partner Program. However, the YouTube Partner Program is expanding and offering an alternative path to monetization. Typically in the YouTube Partner Program, to receive revenue as well as all the other YouTube monetization features, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. However, Shorts content creators will have an alternative path to monetization. This means it's an either-or. You can go the previous route and get the 4,000 hours of watch time and the 1,000 subscribers, and that's 4,000 hours in 12 months or 365 days. Or you can go another route. The Shorts Creator route would be that you would get the 1,000 subscriber requirement and 10 million Shorts views in 90 days. However, in a recent update to this announcement, YouTube has decided to actively allow any Shorts creators who have 10 million views to be included in the YouTube Partner Program when this goes live. So that means if you get 10 million Shorts views before the new announcement rolls live with YouTube ads for Shorts, you will be also qualified for the YouTube Partner Program as long as you still have the 1,000 subscriber requirement. Originally, this was not going to be the case, but I'm glad that YouTube listened to creators and that they changed their minds on this decision. Now, if that still seems unattainable, there is some good news. YouTube is creating a lower tier of YouTube monetization. This lower tier of monetization will not be the YouTube Partner Program. It will be called YouTube Fan Funding. And with YouTube Fan Funding, what is going to happen is you will qualify for YouTube Super Thanks, Super Chats on live streams, Super Stickers, and YouTube channel memberships. All of these have a 70-30 split, and these come directly from your fans in the form of donations. This will mean that your fans can support you not only with their eyeballs, but with their wallets directly, and it gives more creators the opportunity to monetize their content and earn from YouTube. Now, when it comes to YouTube Shorts monetization with ads, this will be slightly different than the ad revenue you're used to seeing on YouTube. So it's important that you watch the video all the way to the end so you understand this. It gets a little bit complicated. Instead of the traditional 55-45 splits that creators get from YouTube ads on regular long-form videos that are not short videos, this is going to be different when it comes to YouTube ads for Shorts and will be a 45-55 split with the creators getting 45%. And there is a reason I said creators instead of creator. YouTube Shorts vertical videos play in a feed that requires you to continue to scroll through videos. Ads will play in between these video scrolls on YouTube Shorts, which means that the ad revenue doesn't go to a single dedicated video and a single dedicated creator the way that long-form videos do. This means that the Shorts ad revenue will be a pool among everybody viewed in Shorts viewing scroll session. Basically, if you watch 30 YouTube Shorts, then the 45% would be split between those 30 creators for all of the ads that generated revenue playing during your viewing session be split among those creators. One of the other things you need to know about YouTube Shorts and the ad revenue is that music playing on these YouTube Shorts will still allow these videos to be monetized with ads, and this will be music that's in YouTube's music library. And you will be able to use up to 60 seconds of music just like you can on other platforms. instead of the 15 seconds that you've been able to use up until now. Remember, if you're already in the YouTube Partner Program, you're not going to have to do anything extra to make money from your YouTube Shorts and have them fully monetized. But if you're not in the YouTube Partner Program, it is going to be important for you to reach these requirements in order to start making money from your content, at least until we get the new YouTube fan funding options, which will lower the bar to monetization. Stay creative, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye-bye.